Hi guys, Jeff here from TAB. Just an interesting problem on this Prado here that's coming, an old girl on the charging system. This car's come in with all the warning lights on the dash, the alternator light and also the air restriction light on the vehicle, and the vehicle not charging. A quick look over, there's no fault codes in it even with even such an older car. Again, the wiring for these alternators have been a little bit problematic. So this particular alternator has a 3-wire plug down to the bottom to the alternator itself, situated in the back of the alternator. Again, those wires, because of the way the wiring is done, have a tendency to break inside that harness. So whenever you're looking at an alternator issue like that, make sure you're taking that plug off. We should have a warning light feed there and also a 12-volt reference feed for the regulator. So that particular 12-volt feed, in this particular case, that wire had broken and therefore we needed to be replaced or fixed up. So it is a repair solution again on our website. So again, make sure you're utilising the information on the website, and especially the repair solutions, which we add 20 every fortnight, and additional 20 repair solutions every fortnight. So again, check the wiring to your alternators. If even if it's not charging, don't assume that the wiring's okay. Unplug it, do those tests on those additional wires going to the regulator to make sure you've got the 12-volt feed and your warning light circuit is intact. Hope that helps you out. We'll see you next time.